My name is Callie and I'm the CEO and founder of Mallzee. Mallzee is the UK's leading multi-retailer shopping app. We pull together over 150 different stores into one single place and help consumers find fantastic products. At the same time as that, we actually help retailers improve their marketing, their merchandising and their buying by using data to make better decisions. The idea for Mallzee came from a personal pain point of actually struggling to find the exact pair of jeans that I wanted to buy online. This becomes so much more difficult once you move to mobile because, do you know what, for pretty much everyone, you don't buy all of your clothes in the same store. And we thought that actually there was a huge market opportunity to make a product that brought together all the different retailers into one single place to help people find fantastic products. It's a focus on the consumer, and it's by bringing everything together in one single place. A lot of people think that our Tinder style swiping is just like fun sort of gimmick, same sort of approach, but it's actually generating a really interesting customer profile, which we use in different sorts of ways. So like our recommender feed, which is entirely personalized to each individual user, or the ability to actually save all your different sizes within the app, and then we'll actually show to you only stuff that's available in your size. I think looking back on it, at one point we thought we were going to build desktop, and we thought that was going to be where people kept on discovering clothes, discovering fashion, and then we actually realized that the market was starting to move to be more and more mobile, and I think that was probably the point of being like, this is interesting to like, actually we're shaping a whole industry here and genuinely changing people's shopping and interaction habits. I think, you know, even in the short time that we've been in the Scottish tech scene, it's growing at an unbelievable rate. There's now so many interesting startups across the whole city. You know, we share an office with Appointed, you've got the guys at Yavi, you've got, you know, Make It Social. There's some amazing companies doing really, really interesting things and doing things that are not just shaping like, you know, lives in Scotland, but like shaping lives all over the world. You've also got the great successes of the guys of like FanDuel, you know, Skyscanner, Free Agent, that are now like basically, I wouldn't call it leaking, but I would say dispersing across the ecosystem, and the learnings that have been gained in those companies going on to help the next generation get to the next stage of their own businesses. So the path that we're on as a company is to fundamentally change how fashion and consumer retail companies actually work. You know, and we're doing that by building the best possible shopping product for consumers and helping them find fantastic products. You know, 3 to 5 years from now, I think that whole sector is going to look very, very different, and I think we're going to be at the center and at the core of it. So outside of Mallzee is the podcast app. So I always listen to a lot of podcasts. The Twitter app at the same sort of stage. I'm a little bit addicted at this point in time. And also is my Microsoft Outlook app, which I feels really weird saying Microsoft, but actually is the best email app that you can get. I would highly recommend anyone who does a lot of email to give it a shot.